think I put pajamas on? This way, Lauren.
Oh, watch the car, baby. You almost hit your head in the car. Let's get away from the car.
Whoever hits me is going to end up facing in the snow. I will catch eventually one of you because my shoes are built for running in snow.
See? Your snowballs were mean.
No, reusable snowball.
Mason, let's be careful with Lauren.
Oh gosh.
Lauren, look at Ethan.
No.
Lauren, look at Ethan. Don't go the wrong way. Lauren, Ethan over there.
Look at Ethan all the way over there. Go get him.
Your gloves are already loose.
Okay, guys, just stay away from the road, okay? There's a car coming.
Look at that. I mean, as soon as I started sliding, my back car started
Wait,
sliding.
I didn't think you were allowed to drive.
You can drive if you want, honey. They just encourage you not to. Wow.
You got a Jeep, man. Four-wheelers really can't even help you with ice. Logan, you're going to come off this side.
Good.
Lauren. This what stinks, Mason, is our side of the street is more in the shade, so we don't get all the, we don't get much sun.
Are you suntanning?
Yeah, suntanning in the snow. Awesome idea, Logan. Good job, Lauren.
You don't want to melt the snow, Mason?
Come on. You hit me in your hand.
Yeah, you got me at a disadvantage. I got a camera. Oh my gosh, that's why it looks so funny. Somebody threw snow on my camera, so we're looking at things through snow.
On Mason while he's laying down. That's not fair.
Mason, that's nasty.
What are you doing, Mason? Dude, you walked all over it. What's underneath it?
Hit me with.
You think there's no where are you going?
I was like, hit me with your best shot, and she hit me. Oh my gosh.
Got your ears. Oh, Ethan, your face is all red.
Ethan, please don't.
Oh, you ducked just in time.
There's more, Mason. I'll compact one with arms and hardball and fire it at you.
Uh-oh.
150.